Welcome, in front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I will tell you what to do if your phone won't let you log in using the pattern on your lock screen. So if you can't get access to your phone, then the best solution to this problem would be to remember the pattern for your screen lock. So please take your time, as this might save you a lot of time in the future. This will also save your files on your phone, your data. But if you can't remember the pattern, then the other best solution for you would be to contact Motorola support center, and if you prove the ownership of your phone, they might also help you to recover the access to this device. But if you can't do any of this, then the only solution for you is to recover the access by resetting all data on your phone. You can do it through the recovery mode, and we have a video on our channel on how to do this, so go check it out if you want to. Or you can also reset all data on your phone and recover the access through the Google account if you have connected it with the device, and also if you have the Find My Device option enabled on your phone. So I hope that these tips helped you, and I really wish you to recover the access to your phone. And if I helped you, then please let us know about it in the comments. Leave us a like if you like the video, subscribe, and see you next time.